Greetings! Welcome to another fabulous edition of Faulkner Fixes All. Okay, so I'm not going to fix any of these cars, but you know, this is kind of my Rusty Trucks Across America edition. We're here at Charlie's Fleet Service on the west side of Albuquerque. It's really hot out here, so we're going to make this a quick one. Anyway, here's a row of Pontiac Grand Prix. I used to have one of these. Really nice cars, but this one isn't really nice. This one's had some damage. Oh, they're all two doors. Wow. Wow, what a deal. These are going between 5 and 7 grand. They all have titles. The one I had was just like this, and it didn't have a title, and I could never register it. Sold it to some guy in New Jersey who thought he could register it, but that's a long story. Anyway, yeah, they're all two doors. Nice. Yeah, this looks like just like the one I used to have when I was a teenager. Man, it was a good car. It really went. These are all complete. Yeah, it's got the probably has a 389 engine. Pretty sure all of these have a 389. Pretty sure. I don't think a Grand Prix came with a 6-cylinder. I could be wrong though. Anyway, so back to the Rusty Trucks Across America. You guys are gonna love it. Texas farm truck. Oh, what, like a 1.5 tons. 53. Well, it's not a 5 window, so maybe 52. Of course, it's a manual. I don't think you could get this truck with an automatic. It's an old International. I don't know the year of this one. You know, 40s. Yeah, another 1.5 ton dump. Wow. Really nice window. And that one's nice too. That's sweet. Yeah. Another manual, probably 3-speed with granny, or 4-speed with granny. Okay, now we're talking. I believe they call this the jailhouse grill because the grill on these Fords look like a jailhouse. I think these two are both jailhouse grill Fords. Really desirable. Look at the tank on that one. Awesome. Okay, no snakes. Okay, just checking. You know, never put your hand where you can't see it in a junkyard. Okay, yeah, so yeah, people take the cab off, junk the rest of this stuff, and put this cab on a smaller frame. Oh, it's got the chicken chasers. Nice. Look at those glass ones too. Sweet. Man, this is a nice truck. This is almost worth coming and picking up and changing over on a smaller frame. If you drive one of these that has the frame that is 1.5 tons from the 40s, you'll really feel it. These don't go very fast, and there's not very much suspension. Another 40s jailhouse grill, probably 48, 49. Oh, this one might be, it's got the hand crank. It's probably a 6-cylinder in there. This one is an International. Almost looks like a Diamond T. This is a nice truck. Wow. Now we're talking. Yeah, Internationals were a little smoother, a little smaller. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, the styling on this is beautiful. Yeah, a little gas weld there. Still got a hubcap. That's good. This is sweet. Little mini. Probably. Yeah. Not sure if this is a 3/4 ton. I think it's 3/4. Not hard to see in there. Sweet. Look at that, huh? Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Up next is another Chevy. This was Chevy's version of the jailhouse grill. Sorry it's so noisy out here. We're like right on the freeway. I think this is a 39. Is this a Diamond T? What is this? It's a Diamond T. Wow. This is a rare truck. Not many of these Diamond T's left. Look at the quality of the workmanship that went into that grill. I mean, instrument cluster, hello. Emergency brake on the tail shaft of the tranny. Common for that year, for these years. Yeah, never put your hand where you can't see it. Look at these windshield wipers. Yeah, keep cranking, buddy, I can't see. Oh, actually, those aren't. Those crank up the windows for ventilation. The windshield wipers were vacuum. These actually crank the windows open. Really nice feature. This is a Diamond T. Really nice truck. You know, these guys probably want 20 grand for this thing. They're kind of high on those Pontiac Grand Prix, by the way. 5,000 to 9,000 for a Pontiac Grand Prix. You know, it is New Mexico and they're not rotted, so, you know, I don't know, that seems a bit high. This, though, this is actually worth dealing with. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Lock up that fuel. You know, when fuel is $7 a gallon, this is important. Back in those days, I guess fuel was expensive, too. It's missing one of the dualies. And I can't believe it's not split rim. Let's see if it is. Yes, it's split rim. Oh yeah. It'll blow off and take your hand right off. Here's a Dodge 62. Like the one on my mom's land almost. No, it's a, I think it's a 62. Chrome grille though, I'm not sure about that. Maybe a 61. Hard to say on that one. I think it's a 62. Same cab for the half ton. If you look at the other video in Ukiah, you can see one of these peeking out of the weeds, but it's a 4x4. This is like a 1 ton, 1.5. Here's a, oh look, a 60 Ford. Yeah, we'll just skip over this Jeep. Look at that, I've got one of these at home. Wow, and it's just like mine. Yeah. Oh, he's got a tailgate. Wow, I'd really like to buy that tailgate. He won't sell it. Man, I wish he'd sell me that tailgate. I'll ask him. Look at that. Oh, 4-speed granny. Sweet truck. I got one of these at home. And this one's about in the same condition as mine. Yes. It's probably bought and driven exactly the same way. Oh, it's got the spotlight. Actually, this is a New Mexico truck. The frame is probably much better than mine. Yeah, this is a very baked, non-rusty truck, actually. Nice truck, nice grill. I said I wouldn't open any doors or anything, so I'm gonna abide by that. I did open a fuel tank door, so, you know, come and get me. Here's another Chevy. Big one, 52. Looks like someone had some chicken chasers they tried to add on later unsuccessfully. Here's another GMC. Actually, it's the only one in here. Yeah, about a 51 with chicken chasers. Another 70s. Oh, please sign visitor book. Oh, I guess I forgot. Dual tanks. 4-wheel drive. About a 75? 77? A little faded. This will buff right up. Nice truck. Yeah. And here is this, they call this the Slick. This is the Ford 63, 62 or 3. No, it's a 60. Oh, it's a unibody. Wow. Wow. A 3/4 ton long bed unibody. Only a couple years on that. And why they call them a unibody is there's no space between the bed and the cab. It was Ford's great idea. It didn't catch on. It was a really bad idea, actually, but these are very rare. Even in the long bed form, they're desirable. Looks like some activity in here. Oh man, look at this hack job. Well, I want a stereo like now. Wow, that's a hack job. Okay, so I'll go ask this guy about the tailgate. He's not going to sell that tailgate on that other truck. Look at this thing. This is great. And this is a very, very rare truck. I can see why they have this way in the back. I don't think I'll even ask about it because they'll want so much for this. It's a unibody, but it is a unibody. Very sought after. Okay, I guess that concludes our trucks across America. This ought to be some content for you. Oh, there's one more over here. Oh wow, what a beast. International L190 series. I would have to look up on this year. I really don't, I'm not familiar with the internationals too much. I'm thinking 51, 49. Maybe it's a 39. It doesn't really look like a 39. Looks like a 40s. And it's got the chicken chasers. 2 little split window in the back. This was probably Charlie's original wrecking truck. And we'll just peek in here. Don't put your hand in, son. That's got to be at least a 2-ton. Maybe. I don't really know on this one. I'm not familiar with these. I do know about the Fords. And I would really love to buy this tailgate over here. So let's go check it out. He won't sell it though. I bet you he quotes me 15 grand on this truck. Ridiculous. Yeah, I could really use this tailgate. It's spent, but man, it's the right one. Oh, got some holes in it. Well, I'll ask him, but I know he's not